we're back with another snack. And today, we doing a whole bunch of Japanese motherfucking snacks. But I got a whole box of these motherfuckers. Can't even see why. I don't know what these is, but we finna find out. I don't know. They ain't even got the English on it. Oh, they might be the Is You Cool? These are the Is You Cool. This the Is You Cool apple flavor. And this the Is You Cool lime grapefruit flavor. I'm gonna try these first, man. I'm gonna try these Is You Cool. What I expect. This little. That's crazy. It tastes exactly like lime and grapefruit together. It's kind of good though. Good to me. Like, if you try these Is You Cool apple flavor, I don't know what kind of apple got a big ass seed, but that's good. I ain't gonna lie, that's good right there. But yeah, man, we got some Japanese Is You Cool. You heard me. I say this one like a cool 7 out of 10. This one right here like a good old 8, 9 out of 10. It tastes so much like fruit though. They really do.